Good morning, Mary. The guests in room 305 just called. They need more towels.
Oh, I can bring them right now. How many towels do they need?
They asked for 4 towels and some soap. Can you also check the minibar?
Yes, of course. I will take the cleaning cart. Do we have enough soap in the storage room?
Let me check the inventory. Yes, we have soap, shampoo, and towels. Everything is ready.
Perfect. What about room 208? Are they checking out today?
Yes, they are leaving at noon. We need to clean the room after they go.
I understand. I will prepare the fresh sheets and clean towels for the next guest.
Great. Also, a new family is arriving at 3 p.m. They booked a double room with a view.
Which room number?
Room 412. Please make sure the room is very clean. They have 2 small children.
No problem. I will vacuum the carpet and check the bathroom carefully.
Thank you, Mary. Oh, one more thing. The manager wants us to check all the rooms on the 4th floor.
Why? Is there a problem?
Some guests said the air conditioning is not working well. We need to report it.
I will check every room after lunch. Should I call the technician?
Yes, please call him if you find a problem. Write down the room numbers.
Okay, I will bring my notebook. We work well together, John.
Yes, we do. Let's make sure all our guests are happy today.